In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to remove unwanted objects on your video in PowerDirector. So let's get started. So I have my sample video right here and it looks like this. So I would want to remove the airplane from this footage. So it's simple. So basically it would work if you have the same footage just like this one. It's static and you have a moving object right here that is very visible. Now, is that the first thing that I want to do is that I want to go here into when the airplane would start appearing right here. And now I'm gonna click here on the footage and then click on edit and then go into mask, and I'm just gonna select a mask right here and make sure that I'll be able to cover the airplane. Maybe something like this right here. And since it's still starting, I'm just gonna go here. And I'm gonna go move forward in frame right here. So right there. And I think I'm gonna go and keyframe a mask. So I'm gonna go click here on advanced. And I would want to start the keyframe in here when the airplane would start to appear. Let's see, right there. And I'm gonna do it like this. And now I'm gonna click here on position keyframe right there, and then when I move, I also move my mask accordingly right there. So let's see when the airplane would move, so somewhere right here. So it's too long. I'm gonna go and make sure that it captures the airplane right there. And then next is that I'll let it move and until it disappears, so I'll let my mask follow right there. So when is the end? So I'm gonna have to pinpoint that, which is right here, somewhere in here. And my mask should be like this, and move it forward, and now it's gone right there. Now I'm just gonna remove this last keyframe that I don't want. So I'm gonna go and right click, remove keyframe, and here it is. So the mask should now look like this. As you can see, it is following the airplane, which is good. Click on OK. And then I'm going to play it right here. Let's see again. And now we're going to click here on invert mask. So instead, we will have this huge empty space right there. And as you can see right here, we have some discrepancies in the mask and it's not really covering that well. So we would have to edit that because it should, or it must cover the airplane. So we're gonna go click here and edit again, go into advanced, and then we would have to fix it right here. So at this point, the mask should be right there. Let's see. Now we don't have it, so that's perfect. And now what's left is that once you have this kind of footage, as you can see, the object is now fully covered by the mask. You will now be able to proceed by duplicating your clip. So you just simply need to right click and then copy. And then paste, right click again and paste, and we have it right here. And as for this this footage, we would need to remove the mask and we just want it to be bare. So to do that, we're gonna go here and click and edit on that clip and then just remove the mask right here. Click on yes, and now from here we just simply need to rearrange this. You want to make sure that the mask clip is at the bottom of the bare clip, which is this one. So when we play it, we will now have something like this. For example, when we start here, you'd now be able to see that there is now no airplane in sight. So you just have to offset this until you get the right one. And as you can see, when I play it right here, there's really none, but I still see something in here. So I'm just gonna have to offset this maybe this much right here. And there's still that, but no worries, we could just go for cutting this right here. I'm gonna cut this somewhere in here at the end, and now I am gonna go and click here, cut. I mean this one right here, that's wrong button right there. Click on cut and then put it right here. And then when we play it from the beginning, we will now be able to see that the airplane is now removed. It's not really that clean yet. We would have to polish it. But yeah, that's basically the gist here on how you can remove the airplane or unwanted object from your video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.